providing is not parenting. You know, it is amazing how these days both the parents have become only providers. And one child very interestingly said that these days there are no mothers, there are just two fathers who go out of the house in the morning and come back dead tired in the evening. Now this is a very sad reflection on the role of parents. Parents have to give time, otherwise they cannot be parents. Parents does not mean a biological parent. Parent has to guide the thought, the actions, he has to protect, he has to advise, all that a parent must do. But parents today have no time. So they are busy providing, and to substitute their absence, they give gadgets to children. You know, most expensive gadgets, or they will give them expensive holidays, take them to expensive hotels. Now that is not what a child needs. It does not, because a child is so innocent, he requires a lot of care, a lot of attention, a lot of informed choices that he must make, a lot of protection from the harm in the world, you know, because a child cannot read situations and a parent is there to protect him from all that. So if the parent does not protect the child, does not guide the child, he is not there to do it. So he hires people to do it. Now we all know that those who are hired, how much of love and care can they give? It's not possible. They are not substitutes for parenting. So then it is a very major role, and parents, children learn by example. So whatever the parent is living, the way he behaves, the language he uses, the values he stands for, they silently go into the child. Automatically they go into the child. That is why we always say, kis family ka bachcha? You know, you use this, that from which family does he come? Because the values of that family that child inherits is as simple as that. But when the child is being brought up by a hired help, what values does he do you think that he will inculcate? And then you feel surprised that a child from my family is behaving like this. So what contribution have you made? So when two people decide to have a baby, and when they want to, they have to have this full realization that they are doing what we call a Mahayagya. It is called a Mahayagya. Yagya means sacrifice. You have to sacrifice your life, your time, your energy, your money, everything to bring up those children. And that is why it is called a Mahayagya. And parents are not doing that today. They are only busy money, money, money. That's all that they are doing. So then this Mahayagya, because they do this Mahayagya, and children benefit by this Mahayagya, and when they grow up, then they also become people who will protect, who will love, who will shelter. But if their childhood has been like this, where they have not been looked after by the parents at all, so what do they grow up into? And that is because for this sacrifice, of the great sacrifice of parents, they are worshipped. And that's why you say, Matra Devo Bhava, Pitra Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. So all that are parent figures are worshipped for this sacrifice. Hari Om.